In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust navigation spacing on Squarespace. To begin, open your Squarespace site and look at the website preview. In the top left corner, click Edit. This will open the builder so you can make changes to your site layout and header design. If you are viewing the live site first, this step brings you into the editing view, where the navigation settings can be adjusted. Once you are in the builder, move your cursor to the navigation area at the top of the page. This is the section that contains your menu links. When you hover over that area, you should see the option to edit the header. Click Edit Site Header to open the header settings. After that, a configuration panel will appear. In that panel, select Edit Design. This takes you into the design controls for the header, where visual settings like spacing and layout can be changed. If you are trying to make your navigation look more compact or more spread out, this is the section you need. Now look for the link spacing slider. In some cases, it may be visible right away. If it is not, check the layout-related options inside the design settings until you find it. Squarespace can display these controls slightly differently depending on your template or header layout, so it is normal if you need to click around briefly to locate the spacing control. Once you find link spacing, drag the slider to adjust the distance between each navigation link. Moving it to the left will decrease the space and bring the links closer together. Moving it to the right will increase the spacing and create more room between them. If you want a more exact result, you can also type in a specific pixel value or percentage next to the slider instead of dragging it manually. That can be especially helpful if you are trying to match a certain style or keep your header consistent across different design elements. When you are happy with the spacing, click outside the settings panel to close it. Then go to the top left corner of the screen and click Save. This will apply your changes to the site. That is all you need to do to adjust navigation spacing on Squarespace. With just a few quick changes in the header design settings, you can make your menu look tighter, cleaner, or more open depending on the style you want. That covers everything you need to know.